Hello everyone, my name is Narsingh Rathod from Let's Learn English with Narsingh Rathod. In this video, we are going to talk about how to make a proper plan. Because when we have a proper plan, we can avoid unnecessary suffering and take advantage of it. Here I want to share with you three key points to make a proper plan. First, why are learning English? It may be different for different people. Someone want to learn English for his job, someone want to learn English for his children communicate, and someone want to learn English with explore oneself. But it must be clear. Whenever why is clear, write it on a paper in at least 5 lines. Because when we write something on paper it is more relevant for us, more convenient for us, and we can take massive action on it. Second, how to learn. We are going to learn a language. How to learn a language? From day first we start listening from our parents, from relatives, from friends and society. After we start to recognize things, and before going to school we can easily speak our native language. So I want to teach you English through the English medium here. If I teach you English in your native language Hindi, you definitely understand very well for short term, but after some time you will forget it, because we have a less surrounding of English environment and rarely English speaker available to speak with us. But when we continuously listen English, our mind become habitual of it, and our mind start to recognize the things, and we are consciously aware about it, and we can stay with easily. Third, how to stay focused on your goal. For it, I want to share with you three techniques. First, prioritize the things. Write your works into category, primary category and secondary category. In primary category, write your works that will help you to make your better future and better life. In secondary category, write your day-to-day life works. When you prioritize the things, you become more productive. Productive is a not meaning that we are do lots of, but productive is a meaning we can stay with your primary things that will be help to make our life better, and we are more clear about it. Second, 2-minute technique. When we start something uninteresting, we try to procrastinate it and use delay practice. But 2-minute technique help you to start it. And when we start something, we get emotion and we easily do it for a long time. What is 2-minute technique? Say oneself, I will do it for 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, I have no interest. I will stop it. Maybe sometime you will stop it, but something is better than nothing. When you use 2-minute technique, day-to-day life, it becomes habitual for it, and you easily start the things, and you can stay with long term. Third, ask this question: what is the most important thing for me at this moment? Because mostly we are indulged less important things like watching phone for entertainment, useless talking and overthinking. But when you ask this question, you will get the answer: yes, I can learn English and avoid the useless things. It will help you to stay with your goal. So let's recap. First, why. Second, how to learn. Third, how to stay focused on your goal. Thanks for watching. If you like it, give a thumbs up, subscribe it, hit the bell icon for every new video notification, and give your suggestion comment below so we can improve more and more. And English as easy as for us.